Hello guys and gals of YouTube. It is Saturday and it is December the 22nd, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit. This morning when I got up, I had plans to get out, go somewhere, fly the drone over the truck, make you a good little video, but I had a call on rental property. I had to go see about that. I've just now gotten done with that. It's 2:30 now in the afternoon, and of course, you know, this is the hustle and bustle of the Christmas season, and so my wife is waiting on me in Bowling Green to get up there to eat and Christmas shop and so on. But I wanted to give you a TRD Pro update. Yesterday, Friday, I called the Toyota dealership where I bought this Toyota because I was due for my 20,000 mile service. So I called the dealership where I bought the truck, and this girl answered, and I said, "I'd like to speak to the service department, please." And she said, "Are you calling to schedule an appointment to get your truck serviced?" And I said, "I am." She said, "Well, I can do that." And so I said, "Okay." And I really wanted to talk to a service person, but anyway, so I told her that I was ready for my 20,000 mile service and needed to get that done. She said okay, and she scheduled it. And I said, "Now there is a transmission update that I've heard from several people, and I've talked to some people personally that's had it done, and they like it. It's helped the truck, and I wanted to get that done to mine." She said, "Okay, let me pull your VIN number up." She did, and she said, "No, you don't get that." And I said, "Well, now, one guy that lives here close to me's got a 2017, mine's a 2017, and he got it at a different dealership. Why do I not get it?" And she said, "Well, I don't know, but it's not coming up under your VIN number, and it would show up if you were going to get that." And I said, "So you're telling me y'all won't do it?" She said, "No, we won't do it because you don't get it." I said, "Okay, then just don't schedule my appointment, cancel it. I'm going to do something else." So I called where my wife bought her 4Runner. And this lady answered, and I said, "I'd like to speak to the service department." She said, "Okay, hold on just a minute." So I'm like, okay, I'm going to get to talk to the service department. Maybe this will be better. So this young girl answers, super pleasant, super nice. Told her I wanted to get my 20,000 mile service done, that I didn't buy the truck there, but I bought my wife's 4Runner there, and I wanted to bring my truck there. She said, "Okay, no problem." She schedules it. Then I say, "Okay, some of my friends, people I know, are getting this transmission update. They're saying it helps the truck, and I would like to see about getting that." She said, "Okay, just come on in and we will run your VIN and we'll see what options that we have." I said, "Okay." So I get up there, I walk in to the service department. I said, "I'm David Farmer." This super sweet girl said, "Oh yeah, you're the one that called and wants to see about the transmission update." And I said, "Yes, and get my 20,000 mile service." She said, "Okay, I'll take care of it from here and I'll let you know what goes on. The technician will have to take a look at your truck, put your VIN number in, see what options we got." I said, "Okay." So I'm sitting there, I'm waiting for my oil change, and this young girl comes back out where I'm at to the waiting room, and she says, "He's got your oil changed and he looked your truck up and we can do your transmission update, no problem." And they're doing it right now. So I got the transmission update, and I was telling you all that in case some of you run into the same thing that I did, that your dealership don't want to do it. Go to another one. It has helped the truck. It seems like it rides in fifth more and not so quick to shift into sixth. It seems like the shifting is a little quicker. I can tell it helped the truck. I ran the truck yesterday without the pedal commander on it, and I could tell a difference in the truck. It's better. Is it 100% cure fix? No. I'm not a technician, but there's just something that's not right about the motors and the transmission in these third generation trucks. Now I've got the pedal commander on right now. I plugged it back up. I'm having trouble with my pedal commander. Okay, you can see that it is connected on Bluetooth, but it's not responding here. When this was first new, and I haven't had it very long, there was a light that was lit up in which mode you were in here, and then you push this button and it would move from these, and it's only lighting up on economy. It will not move. These will do nothing here, and you can see it's doing nothing over here when you push them, see? But I can control it here. So I'm gonna have to I'm gonna call when the holidays is over. I'm gonna call in about this pedal commander, see what they tell me. I think they need to give me another one because something's happened to this one. I have had it plugged up underneath the dash, like put a zip tie around it and had it up under the dash where it was out of the way. I started having trouble with it connecting Bluetooth, so I pulled it out. I've taken it off, I've put it back on, and it's not working right. It is so simple to add this onto your truck, but hopefully they will do something about my problem. But anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on the truck. I've got a CBI bed rack ordered for the back. I've had that ordered since October the 8th. I ordered the aluminum one. I called in a couple of days ago to check on it because it was supposed to be due 1st of December. They told me it would be the end of January before I get that rack. So anyway, I'm waiting on that. I've bought some of the things that's going to go on the rack. I'm going to put a rooftop tent on that rack. I'm going to start doing some overland camping. I want to come to you and tell you I got the transmission update. It helps. It helps, tremendously with the truck. It's better. I can tell a difference in the shifting. It's not doing so much shifting. Let me show you a little bit of operating this pedal commander. I will tell you this on the pedal commander. When I went off-roading and went four-wheel driving, went and did a little of that, I had to bring the pedal commander down to sport, mode, and I even minused it a little bit because the pedal commander was too peppy when you were running off-road, and then especially when I put it down in low-range four-wheel drive. I wound up backing the pedal commander all the way down to number 4, and at one time I even put it in city. Whoop, I just hit the button and moved it to city. Let's go back to sport. Now let's plus it. The pedal commander makes the accelerator really responsive. Now, when I'm out on the highway like this on a 4-lane, I will put it up into Sport Plus. That is an immediate boost to the accelerator. With the pedal commander, and I have put the TRD PRO air box on the truck. Those things made a tremendous difference in the truck. The truck runs great. Now with the transmission update, we're sitting here running right at 70 mile an hour. I'm on a flat section of the road. The transmission is in 5th. So with the transmission update, it's holding it in 5th a lot better. Now, I do have oversized tires on this truck. you can see my fuel mileage. But I didn't buy this truck for gas mileage. I don't really care what it gets. I bought this truck for fun and to do all these upgrades on it. Now, if it was not for the pedal commander, I would not have done any of these upgrades. Because I was not happy with the truck. I didn't know if I was going to keep it. But once I put the TRD airbox on it and the pedal commander, it made the truck so much more fun to drive. That's when I decided to do all these upgrades. I'm going to let you know as soon as I know something from pedal commander, what they tell me that they will do about the warranting this pedal commander. And guys, if you got any questions or comments, put them down in the section below. I'll answer them. I look at them. I read them all. I answer them. If you like TRDs and camping and outdoor stuff, subscribe to my channel because we're going to have some more coming. The truck just shifted up into 4th gear right there. We had just a little bit of an incline. But with the pedal commander, it's a whole lot smoother. Before I put the pedal commander on it, it was a job for you to run this truck and keep it at 70 miles an hour. You were just constantly losing speed. But with the pedal commander, it's easier to hold it at a speed. Guys, y'all have a Merry Christmas. I thank all of you for watching, subscribing, liking. Like I said, if you got any comments, put them down in the comments. I'll answer them. Y'all have a Merry Christmas, and may God bless each and every one.